Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the notification, ringtone and alarm sounds. We can change them just by select one from the available sounds here. Also we have here the volume panels, the media, ringtone, notifications and alarm. We can also change them just by swipe to the left or to the right side. The volume panels. Here we have the sound assistant. We can switch on or switch off all of these functions just by click once on the switcher. So we can adjust media sound in multiple apps, multiple audio sources, we can activate them, and also we can allow speaker sound. Here we have the silent mode section. We can activate silent mode or turn it off, or also we can silence media in silent mode. We can also set here the don't disturb mode. We can turn on start and end time, so we can set a schedule time to use it when the device is locked, to notify about the calls and about the repeated calls. Here we can also change the vibration section settings. We can activate and turn off vibration for calls in silent mode, and to turn on or turn off the haptic feedback, and just to switch the haptic feedback level here. And we have also the additional settings. We can here turn on or turn off all of these options just by click once on each of the switchers. So we can here turn on or turn off the dial pad sounds, the tap sounds, the unlock device sound, the screenshot sounds, the uninstalling app and deleting item sounds, the charging sounds, and the start up sounds here. And also we have here the sounds effects. We can activate or turn off the Dolby items and change them settings here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.